In the tense waters of the Red Sea, a remarkable story unfolded, and it involves a U.S. Navy destroyer, a looming threat, and a battle that could have changed the course of history. Welcome back, everyone, to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible events that transpired, revealing how the USS Carney single-handedly thwarted a potentially catastrophic attack. Let's jump right into this gripping tale. It all began in the early hours of October 18, when the USS Carney, a U.S. Navy destroyer, had just transited the Suez Canal. Little did the crew know that they were about to face an imminent threat that would test their mettle like never before. Reports initially suggested that the USS Carney had encountered 3 cruise missiles and 8 drones, but that count was later revised to a staggering 4 cruise missiles and 15 drones. The ominous sight of these incoming threats would send chills down anyone's spine. The USS Carney, equipped with SM-2 surface-to-air missiles and a formidable 5-inch gun, was faced with a situation that demanded rapid decision-making. It's essential to note that the U.S. military didn't give orders to engage, but the destroyer acted on its own initiative. Why did the USS Carney decide to intercept the incoming missiles and drones? Well, it wasn't a hasty choice. Several factors were at play, including past attacks on U.S. destroyers in the region, where anti-ship missiles were launched by Houthi rebels. Picture this: a subsonic cruise missile hurtling towards the USS Carney at 500 miles per hour, barely 34 miles away. The destroyer had mere minutes to respond and determine the true intent of the attack. In such a scenario, acting swiftly and decisively becomes paramount. USS Carney implemented various defensive measures to protect itself, including launching SM-2 missiles while evading incoming threats. Electronic warfare systems and active decoys were put to use, all in a bid to ensure the ship's safety. Thankfully, the USS Carney stood its ground and prevented the Houthi attack, saving countless lives and averting a potential regional crisis. No reports of cruise missile or drone strikes on Israel confirmed that the threat had been eliminated. In conclusion, the story of the USS Carney in the Red Sea highlights the critical role of modern sea power and the United States Navy's technological advantage. It's a testament to the bravery and readiness of our naval forces. This 9-hour showdown serves as a stark reminder of the importance of a strong naval presence in the world's most critical regions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Stay tuned for more compelling stories right here on our channel.